Hey there traders, David here of TradingFibs.com and MarketFi to bring you today's 3-minute spotlight trend trade of the day. My trading mantra, know one thing, know well, rings true for all markets. Whether you trade the ES, Apple, ETF, or any other, my plan will keep you disciplined. It was all about the oil today, QMNCL. As we could see, the sell-off from the night session just continued all the way down throughout the remainder of the U.S. trading session. Again, what does it take to keep you in the trade is the question. As we can see here, our 25-minute open range, 1-hour open range setup, avoiding perhaps that first 30 minutes of trading and then taking the trade to the downside. That's right, it's about the 534 EMA crossover that you could see here. Kept you in the trade overnight, and then to the downside, again, if you're waiting for the crossover underneath the range, you had it well within to remain through the trade all the way down to the lows of the session, and then using a 5-13-21-80 to manage your stop, or at least to keep you in the trend. When you look at a chart like that without open ranges or any other indicators, 5 underneath 13, underneath 21, underneath 80 is a strong trend to the downside, and it's all about managing your stop. And how do we manage a stop? First initial stop on the market entry, you early entry, 6 o'clock, market open, take the most recent high, and there you go. You place your stop, price action comes down, comes back up, place your stop at the most recent high. Price action on the Heiken Ashi bars continues to the downside. Let's go ahead and blow that up there, and your stop is taken out. Turns back down around, puts your initial stop back up here. Price action continues downside, bounces back up, and then price continues to the downside on the Heiken Ashi bars, tail down. Every most recent lower high, place your stop. Price action on the Heiken Ashi keeping you in the trade. We're using range charts here. We're not using minute charts. Every time you have a most recent lower high, you place your stop, and which keeps you in the trade towards until you are taken out of the trade. What a way on an entry from all the way up top to all the way down here. As we could see, market action starting with a 2-bar confirmation to the downside. If you're patient, you can wait until the bottom of the 25 1-hour open range to enter the trade, but it was all on the Heiken Ashi bars. 5 underneath 34, 5 underneath 13, 21. What a trade for the day. That concludes today's 3-minute spotlight trend trade of the day, and that's how we call it in the sandbox.